Ah, don't you just love it right after your property's cleaned? Monthly service is our way to keep your property looking as clean as possible, always. Here's how it works. Take what you usually pay every year for siding cleaning, window cleaning, gutter cleaning, and even dryer vent cleaning. Now, divide that cost by 12 equal monthly payments, and you're going to make those payments now on a monthly basis. Not only will we come every single month and take care of any minor issues like bird droppings and clogged gutters, but we will also come and clean your entire property at your favorite time of the year. That's right, you get up to 12 monthly visits as needed every year without paying 1 cent more than you usually pay for one annual visit. You see, it's easier for us to keep your property maintained and looking good than it is to start from scratch all the time. Yes, monthly service works well for us, but it's excellent for your property. You can choose from 1, 2, or all of our most popular services. And remember, monthly service goes great together with our roof moss free forever service to make sure that your property is as clean as possible always.